Hello everyone, my name is Natasha Williams, and for this week's assignment, we're going to be reverse engineering a data set using Makeover Monday. So this is the screen I'm on right now. I decided to go with a data set from 2017, so I'll click here. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and I decided to select the second one. Have Apple lost their edge with iPhone? We'll go ahead and click here. And so this is the visualization we will be reverse engineering here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, click on the Excel. All right, got that downloaded. I'm going to go ahead over to my Tableau, click my file, open. Here it goes right here, hit open, pull that up. I'm going to then proceed to use the data interpreter to clean it up. I'm going to click on data, go ahead and drag it into the empty space. All right, we have that here now. Just going to slide this over just so I can see a little bit better. I'm going to click right here, the little hashtag, and I'm going to change it to date. Then I'm going to click here to change this title, and it's going to be units. It's going to be unit sales in millions. Okay. Go ahead and slide that over. This one as well. So you can go ahead and see that. And then I'm going to proceed to go to my sheet 1. When I get here, for the columns, I'm going to put the Apple iPhone sales worldwide. And for my rows, I'm going to put unit sales in millions. This then pulls up a line graph, which is definitely not what we need. So we're going to go ahead to the automatic, click on bar, and that brings up the bar graph. However, this is nowhere near what theirs looks like. So there's a couple of things that we need to do to get it to look like theirs. All right, so we need to have it spaced out like they have over here. We need those spaces. So I'm going to go here, use this little drop down arrow, scroll down to discrete, and that'll give us the spaces that we need. Another thing that we're missing is the numbers they have listed on the top. We're going to go right here, and that brings up the numbers. All right, another thing they don't have this column here. So we're going to go ahead and hide that. So you can right click and then hit hide. Perfect. They also have a caption. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Go back to my Tableau. And to add a caption, you go to Worksheet, Show Caption. Okay, remove that. Go ahead and paste. Hit Apply and OK. We're going to bring this down so we have some more space to work with. All right. Another thing that's also different between mine and theirs is that their interviews are by 50. So I also need to change that. So I'm going to go ahead, double click here. All right, under General, I'm going to hit Fixed, change this to 300. Then in tick marks, fixed again, change this to 50. Go ahead. And so now we have the same thing going on. Another thing that is also different is the color. So I'm going to go ahead and try to find the same color. So I'm going to go to more colors and play around with a couple of options. Let's see, what about this one? Oh, that's a very vibrant blue. I think it's very close. So we're going to go ahead with that. Perfect. All right. Another thing is they have 2 decimal places here. So we need to go ahead and change that. To go ahead and make this 2 decimals, we're going to go to unit cells in millions, hit that drop down arrow, select default properties, go ahead to number format, then select number custom. The 2 is there already, and hit OK. So we now have our 2 decimals. However, it also changed this one. So we're going to right click, select format, pulls up over here, going to go to number, hit standard, and it goes ahead and changes it back to as it should be. Another thing I wanted to fix is that this is quite large. So I wanted to go ahead and pull that up and just change this size a little smaller. Let's make it a 10. I think that looks more like the original, as well as we also need to change the name from sheet 1, obviously. So we're going to go back here, and this is what they called it, Apple iPhone annual sales worldwide from 2007 to 2018 in millions. Go ahead, copy that, bring that back over to Tableau. We're going to go ahead and rename, paste, apply. Okay. All right. And one of the last things we need to do is to add our shading. We're going to go to format at the top here. Scroll down to shading. Come to column banning. Select our first option right here. And that's going to go ahead and change that. Another thing that I feel is off is the size here. So I'm going to highlight this, bring it down to 24, and hit OK. I think that more looks like that. Another thing is that they don't have all of these descriptions when you hover over theirs. So we're also going to just change that. So we're going to go to, what's this? Tooltips right here. And just gonna erase a lot of this that they have up here. So we no longer see that. And then we're also going to do the same thing for this portion right here. To try to get it the same as theirs, I'm going to put a period, space. Gonna go ahead and highlight that, bring that to around 14, change the color to our same blue that we have here, and then move that over just a little. I'm gonna hit preview. Not bad. On hover, change that to on hover. Let's see. Pretty good, I think. All right, I'm gonna hit OK. And so now when you hover, you don't see all of that information there, which is pretty similar to how theirs is displayed. So that's pretty much it. I think I came pretty close. Um, thank you for watching and have a great day.